In this instructional video, I'm going to show you how to use this insane Chrome extension, which allows you to analyze graphs using multiple trading strategies. Now, for those of you who don't know, there are over 10 strategies, but we've picked the top 10. For example, the Wyckoff method, the Elliott wave, the support and resistance method, and all of these other ones, including the price action trading and everything. You pick the one that suits you most. I personally prefer the Wyckoff method, and that's the default. When you click on Analyze Chart, what you'll see is that it starts analyzing the graph for you so that it will then give you a stop loss, take profit, and when to enter the trade. Now, this is not financial advice. This is for educational purposes to help you understand how to trade better. This is not guidance or what to do. You use this as your own risk. Everyone knows trading is very risky. So, of course, I have to say that as a disclaimer. So, as you can see, the result is that you should go for a long. Here's the confidence level. Here's the coin that we're referring to. And the entry and limit means you have to wait till the price reaches that point. Market means you can enter right away. And the stop loss and take profit. If you want an explanation, you click show explanation and it will explain why it's reached that conclusion. But this is not the main power of this Chrome extension. The multi-strategy, this is the main power of the Chrome extension. Let me show you why. Over here, you're going to be able to choose the methods you wish to use. You can choose anything from 1, 5, you can select all the methods, you can select 5 methods, or you can reset the methods. So let me just show you that in practice. I could just select, let's say, this one, and this one, for example, or I can select all, and then all of the methods will be selected. That way I can start analyzing using each and every one of the methods that are available. So as you can see, right now it's analyzing using the Wyckoff method. So we're starting with that. After the Wyckoff method, of course, it's going to go on to the next method. Let's see what it selects. Okay, Elliott wave theory. So here we are. It's already done that. Now, if you scroll down a little bit, you'll find that you're able to look at the scores of what's going on, what each AI method is saying. So right now, it's 2-0 to short. Short is winning, meaning more trading strategies are telling you a short trade would be profitable, whereas hope we'll see soon, maybe 1 or 2 of the strategies will say a long trade might be more profitable. So let's just wait for that to unfold. Now we're on the moving average strategy, and now we're on the price action trading strategy, and now the harmonic pattern strategy, the market structure strategy, and that's all. Every single strategy pointed that we should pick a short trade, which is unbelievable. Think about the likelihood of all 10 strategies telling you to do a short trade. What are the chances that all 10 strategies agree? So as you can see, the confidence level is high. This is the coin. It's asking for a limit order. You should enter at this stage, stop loss, take profit. Now, as you can see, this is the recommendation, and there's an explanation of all the trading strategies and what they have all decided. Now, the AI takes all of the 10 different analysis and provides a conclusion, and this is the conclusion. And if you want, you can copy all the signals and then have a look at them in, let's say, a document, and you can have a quick look and see what each of the strategies is saying. So as you can see, all of the strategies said that you should do a short trade, and if that's correct, this price should plummet down. Of course, this was all for educational purposes. You're free to use this. It's free for 24 hours, so make sure you click in the description for the add to Chrome button, and then after 24 hours you can decide if you want to continue using it or not. No credit card details are required. You just add it to Chrome and start using it right away. It works on every graph and all time frames. So get your hands on it quick and start analyzing graphs with all the different trading strategies that we know of. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.